In this video, I'll show you how to fix ROCKSTAR Games Launcher not opening, crashing, or completely refusing to work on Windows. First, open the Start menu, search for Windows Security, and launch it. Once the window opens, go into Virus and Threat Protection. Scroll down until you find Virus and Threat Protection Settings, then press Manage Settings. After that, scroll all the way down again until you reach the Exclusions section. Open Add or Remove Exclusions, press Add an Exclusion, choose Folder, and then navigate to your ROCKSTAR Games installation folder. In most cases, this folder is located on the C drive inside Program Files x86. Select the ROCKSTAR Games folder and add it as an exclusion. This prevents Windows Security from silently blocking launcher files in the background, which is actually one of the most common reasons why the launcher refuses to start. If ROCKSTAR Launcher still doesn't open, try the next fix: open File Explorer again. Go back into Program Files by x86, locate the ROCKSTAR Games folder, and rename it by adding an underscore at the beginning of the folder name. Windows may ask for administrator permission while renaming the folder, so just press Continue. After that, go to your desktop, right-click ROCKSTAR Games Launcher, and choose Run as Administrator. Give it a few seconds because sometimes the launcher takes a moment before finally appearing if the problem still keeps happening. Another thing that can interfere with ROCKSTAR Launcher is Microsoft OneDrive running in the background. Open Settings, go into Apps, then Installed Apps, and search for OneDrive. Some players run into weird compatibility issues between OneDrive syncing and ROCKSTAR Launcher files. If you don't actually use OneDrive, you can uninstall it directly from there by pressing Uninstall once OneDrive is removed. Restart your PC and try opening ROCKSTAR Games Launcher again. Between adding the Windows Security exclusion, renaming the ROCKSTAR Games folder, launching the app as administrator, and removing OneDrive conflicts, one of these methods usually gets ROCKSTAR Launcher working normally again without needing complicated fixes or reinstalling Windows. Thanks for watching. I would be very happy if you would become one of the subscribers of this channel. Check out the suggested videos and also leave a like under this video. See you soon.